Hello students, how are you today? Hope you are fine today by the grace of Allah. I am fine too. My name is Salman Asrin, assistant teacher Magurag Model Government Primary School. Students, are you waiting for my class? I think yes. Students, the Eid festival is coming. So you are very happy now. Okay. First, today, do you want to sing with me a greeting song? I think yes. Okay, now ready and start with me. Okay. Good morning, how are you today? I am fine and wish you a good day. Good morning, how are you today? I am fine and wish you a good day. Thank you. Are you happy now? Okay, students, today we learn English for today, class 5, lesson 9. Unit 9, lesson 3-4. Everybody, please take your book, khata and pen. Open your book at page 35. Students, what are you seeing? Page 35. I think your answer. Read again and write T for true or F for false. Yes, true and false. What do you mean by true and false? True means সত্য, যেটা সঠিক, আর false mean মিথ্যা, যেটা ঠিক নয়। অর্থাৎ যে জিনিসটা সত্য, যেমন আমি একজন শিক্ষক, এটা ট্রু, আর আমি একজন ডাক্তার, এটা false. So students, now you understand what is true and false. Students, here write T for true or for F for false. First, there was first item B. Write T for true or F for false. False. Number 1, there was a fire at Raju's school when he was in class 5. Students, look at this sentence. There was a fire at Raju's school when he was in class 5. Is it true or false? I think your answer is true. Your answer is true. হ্যাঁ, যখন রাজু পঞ্চম শ্রেণীতে পড়তো তখন তার বিদ্যালয়ে আগুন লেগেছিল। That's why it's true. Next, true. Number 2, the teachers teachers left the students in the building during the fire. Okay, students, look at this sentence. The teachers left the students in the building during the fire. Again, the teachers left the students in the building during the fire. It's true or false? I think your answer is false. And number 3. Raju didn't see the firefighters put out the fire at this school. Raju didn't see the firefighters put out the fire at this school. Raju didn't see the firefighters put out the fire at this school. Is it true or false? I think your answer is false. Number 4. Raju always earns money for being a firefighter. Raju always earns money for being a firefighter. Being a firefighter. রাজু সবসময় অগ্নি নির্বাপক কর্মী হিসেবে অর্থ উপার্জন করত। এটা সত্য না মিথ্যা? I think your answer is false because at first Raju is a volunteer firefighter. Number 5. I clean the board Number 6. Taking the students is part of Raju's job. Talking the students talking to students is part of Raju's job. Isn't true or false? I think your answer is false. Talking to students is part of Raju's job. It's false. Okay. Now you understand true or false. Next, I give you some question of this lesson, occupation, lesson 1 to 2. Please, you see this carefully. Here is a chart. Please, everybody, look at this. Look, answer the following question. Who is a firefighter? Who is a firefighter? Answer. You think what is the answer? I think you think a person who put out fire is a firefighter. A person who put out fire is a firefighter. Again, a person who put out fire is a firefighter. Next, what do you mean by volunteer? What do you mean by volunteer? Answer. You know the volunteer before this lesson. Now, I answer you. Volunteer means a person who works without any money or fee. Volunteer is a person who works without any money or fee. Again, volunteer means a person. Volunteer means a person who works without any money or fee. Number 3. What does Raju teach new firefighters? What does Raju teach new firefighters? Raju teaches new firefighters about fire safety. Again, Raju teaches new firefighters about fire safety. Number 4. Why does Raju visit school in his free time? Why does Raju visit school in his free time? Raju visits school and talks to students about fire safety. Again, you read with me. Raju visits school and talks to students about fire safety. Number 5. Who helped the students to leave the building? Who helped the students to leave the building? Answer. The teachers helped the students to leave the building. The teachers helped the students to leave the building. Again, the teachers helped the students to leave the building. Number 6. What should the students do if there is a fire in the school building? Again, read with me. What should the students do if there is a fire in the school building? যদি শিক্ষার্থীদের বিদ্যালয়ে আগুন লাগে তাহলে তারা কি করবে? Answer. if there is a fire in the school building, the students should listen to their teachers and leave the building quietly and safely. Again, if there is a fire in the school building, the students should listen to their teachers and leave the building quietly and safely. অর্থাৎ আগুন লাগলে দৌড়াদৌড়ি হুড়াহুড়ি এরকম করা যাবে না, শিক্ষকদের কথা শুনে নিরাপদে বের হয়ে যেতে হবে। ওকে স্টুডেন্টস, নাও আই গিভ ইউ a homework. Write a composition about someone you know by answering the following questions. তুমি চেনো এমন একজন সম্পর্কে তুমি এই প্রশ্নগুলোর উত্তর দিয়ে লিখবে। EFT book page 36 number 8. And now you see what's the question. Number 1, what is the person's name? তুমি যে লোকটিকে চেনো তার নাম কি? 2, what does he she do? সে কি করে? Number 3, where does he work? সে কোথায় কাজ করে? 4, what time does he work? সে কোন সময় কাজ করে? Does he likes her job? সে কি তার পেশাটাকে পছন্দ করে? Why or why not? কেন এবং কেন নয়? What do you think about her job? তুমি তার পেশা সম্পর্কে কি জানো? Okay students, to know more today, and thank you. Stay home, safe home, and be careful the coronavirus. Okay, thank you everybody. Bye, see you next class.